Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the e-commerce sale table. I'm going to increase the zoom factor down here to see a little bit better, and I'm just going to start my table up by doing some labels across the top. And then I'm going to do the years down to the side. Okay. And then we're going to be doing average and difference to learn how to use some calculation formula tools in Excel. And then using the wider crisscross, I'm going to highlight right here where I'm putting my numbers in. And I'm going to format these as percent. And I'm going to click that left arrow once to make sure that my decimals show. You can always go back and change that later. Now I'm going to put in my numbers here. This was from the article. And we're focusing on the red line for e-commerce trends and the blue line, which was for traditional sales. And so I'm just going to pop in those numbers. Okay. And I'm only typing in the numbers, and because I pre-formatted, okay, the percent sign, I don't have to type that in. And actually in Excel, you don't want to type that in because you want it to read it as numbers and not text, and that will help us when we put together our chart. What's my last number? 35.8. There it is. Okay, just trying to do this quickly before the screencast cuts me off. All right, 2.3, 0.3, 2. Last one, negative 4.7. Don't forget to put that negative sign in front of that last one. All right, now let's do the formulas, and this may be where some of you need a little more help. So I'm going to highlight right below this first column. Make sure your cursor is not somewhere else. Okay, make sure you're highlighted on the empty cell right here. And I'm going to go to my Formulas tab, click right next to this Greek sigma. I'm going to click the down arrow and click Average. And it's going to guess, hey, do you want me to average cells B2 through B9? Yes. I could adjust if I needed to. Okay, but yes, that's the cells I want it to do an average, so I just click Enter. And then I can copy and paste that formula over. I go to the corner with the skinny crisscross, and I'm going to drag that across, and that's going to automatically copy and paste the formula into the second column, so I don't have to do that again. Let me do that again real quickly. Okay, click on the down arrow, average, and enter. Skinny crisscross, copy across. Now let's do a difference. I want to know the difference between 2020 to 2013. So I'm going to take this minus this. And instead of pulling out a calculator, I'm going to use a formula. So I'm going to highlight here, click on the auto sum. Now it's trying to guess what I want. Do I want to add this? No. So I'm going to click right inside my parentheses. I'm just going to erase that. And then I'm going to click on the 35.8, which is the cell B9, do a minus sign, and then click on the 12.7, B9 minus B2. I could type that in just as easily, but again, I really like just clicking and letting Excel do the work for me. Let me do that one more time. Come right down here, start my formula, go inside the parentheses, delete, click on the 35.8, type in a minus sign, and then click on the 12.7. And again, you can certainly type that if you want. And then I also will copy that on over. Okay, that's it. If you want to make this look pretty, from the home page or the home tab, format as table, and there you go. Something like that. All right, good luck. I'll do a screencast next on how to do the graph.